Apostolic Church of Apostle of Africa, number 8, Jefferson Road, Logan Park, Yetfield, Harare. Paul, an apostle who came not from the people, nor was he commissioned by men, but by Jesus Christ and God the Father, who raised him from the dead. Galatians 1 verse 1. To see the power of Jesus Christ, who raised and commissioned his servant Ernest Paul Mahanja of Africa. We are cordially invite you to the African Apostolic Church Kimberley District Holy Gathering, to be held from Friday 15 October to Sunday 17 October 2021 at Sivuile Daycare Center, Kimberley, Northern Cape, South Africa. The sick are healed and people are taken out of all troubles. Mark 16 verse 15. For more information, please feel free to contact the African Apostolic Church Kimberley District Executive on the numbers emerging on the screen.